Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to find out the position of a word in a string. So first off I'm going to create the first example, which is going to be called string position. And we're going to create a string, a variable to hold that string called string, and then we're going to assign it some characters, words. So this is a string. Right, we're going to create another scalar variable called substring. I'm going to assign that to a word that I want to find in here. I'm just going to assign it to is. Okay, so that's is in the string. So now we're going to create another scalar variable called position. So the position of this substring above in the string. So let's have a look. So my subposition, I'm going to assign it to index. And then we're going to pass it the arguments. And the arguments are string and substring. So the two arguments right in there. String and substring, so those are the two arguments. And now we're going to print out the position of is in that string. So we do that using the print command. And we'll just say the position is. It's going to be sub position. Right, all we have to do now is simply call that string position. Let's run it. Okay, the position is 2. So this is going to be 0, 1, 2. So we're at position 2 there. Okay, let's just alter this code a little bit, and I'm going to call it input position, because we're going to do this through user input. Right, okay, let's just knock that out. So we've got a string there, and we're going to create my scalar substring. I'm going to assign that to my scalar entry. Right, I'm going to print a message to the user telling them what to do. Enter substring. And then we're going to get the user input by typing chomp and then scalar entry, and assign that to standard input. So we're getting the user input, so the user will type in a word there, and then I'm going to create another scalar variable called subposition, and that's going to be assigned to the index of the string and the scalar entry, whatever the person entered. Alright, okay, now we're going to print out the results. Position is, and then we're going to do subposition. New line character there. Okay, let's just save that. Let's just run it. Okay, so enter substring. So I want to know the position of A in this string. So enter A. Okay, let me just increase that for you guys at home. Enter A there. So let's just hit entry. Position is 8. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's A is at position 8. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you found the video helpful, if you want to learn Perl, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.